What's good, Auto Gang? 2014 Chevy Sonic. Doing some front struts, stabilized links, and oil. Alright, I got the driver's side strut and stabilized link in already. To take it out, 21 millimeter for the strut bolts. For the stabilized link is 18. The new bolt went from 18 to 17. The strut mount bolt at the top is a 24 millimeter. Alright, goes from a 24 millimeter bolt to a 22. Got everything done on the passenger side. 21 millimeter, 18. Then the new stabilized link goes from an 18 millimeter to a 17 millimeter, and that'll be it. Then once you drop the vehicle on the ground, I'm gonna tighten this down. Then once I drop it on the ground again, I'm gonna tighten down even more to make sure. Cause you can tighten down here, then once you put it on the ground, you might have a small little gap, so you gotta make sure once it's on the ground, you tighten it again to make sure it's fully seated. So we all done. Front struts, stabilized links, did the oil change, filters. I did the transmission mount and the top motor mount. So we're gonna take it for a test drive and see what we're working with. Had a lot of vibration and clonking when I was driving this thing, so let's see what we got.